Hi everyone, welcome back to the Flavours of Light YouTube channel. This evening I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious medicinal salad dressing. Now I'm going to show you exactly what ingredients we have here today, and I just want to let everybody know that I have salads about 2 to 3 times a week. When I do have them, that's the time I tend to enjoy my fats. Today for my fat sauce I have avocados and soaked walnuts. And for the dressing, if you just look down here, we have, if I just start from the left hand side, I have a handful of scallion, here. We have coriander, cilantro for the people in the US. I have fresh dill, I have fresh tarragon, I have fresh mint, and I have fresh parsley. We're going to be using 2 avocados. These are small Hass avocados. We're going to be using about a cup of soaked walnuts. So I've soaked these in distilled water for about the last, I'd say, 24 to 36 hours. And then we're going to add in a bit of zest, some lime. When you guys make a salad dressing, here's the key. Because we are not herbivores, we're not cows, sheep, and horses, what we need to take into account is that we cannot digest cellulose very well. Now we can get the medicinal value of these plants, particularly these herbs, without having to digest the cellulose, break the walls down and extract the liquids between. Now the way we can use that is the modern juice extractor. So what I highly recommend is that to get maximum flavor, because you only get flavor when you chew, you expose the flavor through the liquid, you can extract all the liquid for maximum flavor, maximum absorption, easy assimilation and digestion without having to chew on any of this. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to juice all of this except for the avocado and the walnuts, obviously. So I'm gonna run this all through a slow press juicer and we're gonna see how it goes. So I hope you enjoy the preparation, the cutting, and just give you to give you all the tip, finely chop all your herbs or they'll get stuck in your machine, okay? To serve, you want to make sure that your salad complements your salad dressing. Today I've gone for organic baby gem lettuce, I've gone for celery, and I'm going to add in some radish. Just finely chop your celery. Just tuck your fingers in to make sure you don't catch them with the knife. Make sure your knife is sharp as well. And make your salad simple. I've gone for crunchy textures because I like crunchy salads and I don't like it to be too heavy and complex. So, literally take the celery, pour it all inside. Okay. Take the tip off the edge of the baby gem, hold it tight. Again, nice, thin, sharp, confident slices. Texture is key. And it's important that you complement your salad with your dressing because there's a reason I don't have bell peppers in here and, you know, like carrots and stuff, because it's a herbal dressing. I want a nice, simple, green salad just to complement. 2 ingredients is enough. If you don't have time to make a salad, you can just take this whole and dip it in. But I'm gonna go for a guys. Look how simple this is. Take your spoon, pour your dressing on top. Gently start to mix this all in together. I'd say this is a serving for about 2 people. If you haven't had enough fruit in the day, this is a serving for 1. This is a nice heavy meal to ground yourself with. Super medicinal, super crunchy, lots of flavor. These are washed organic radish, grown here locally. I'm going to take this one out. And there you go. Bon appetit. This is what I've made. Celery, lettuce diced up, mixed in my medicinal herbal dressing. Perfect. I don't need to chew it, I can taste all the herbs. And then just take a spoon of celery, lettuce and radish, right here. Amazing. It's perfect. This is how you make a medicinal salad dressing. This is how you ground yourself and literally put raw living foods in your body. Easy to digest, super tasty.
please make this. Follow our channel. Be sure to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram as well. And look out for more salad dressings coming from Flavours of Light. For now, we wish you a beautiful day.